Yeah.
Um, he's not moving anymore.
Well, it's
He
because
only
he's
had
already
3.
paint. He only has 3 paint.
So while he has paint.
Yeah, he only painted one. Ken Dot move.
Did you put it in the while?
Yeah, while Ken Dot has paint.
Ken dot move.
No, I didn't write Ken Dot move.
That's line 12.
That's why.
Yep.
That's why I wasn't there yet, guys. I didn't start.
So they wanted him to paint first, then move, but I'm not gonna be worried about that right now. But that's what they wanted, but that's okay. So I don't think they actually say that in the instructions. No. They don't, of course not. But that's okay, not a big deal, we're just gonna go through. Okay. So our next one is on bucket, which they will never use after they can set paint. Cause you can't put buckets out on there for them to grab, so I don't understand why we do this one, but it's fine. So we would replace all this with, actually, hold on. So a trick that I have showed them in the past is to indent or add a line right above all of the parts that they're going to repeat, and then they're gonna do while, what's the name of this, Sally? Sally dot is underscore on underscore bucket, close your parentheses, and colon, and then tab over the first one right underneath it, and then delete the other ones. That will allow them to automatically just grab all that paint, and then they don't have to type all of that back in there. Same thing with this, you can automatically show them how much you can delete. So now that Sally is on the bucket and Sally takes all the paint that's on the bucket, what can we do now to make it repeat?
Something about Sally being
Sally
able to
can.
move, but Sally has paint.
While Sally has
Wow.
paint.
Oh, has.
While
Sally,
Sally dot has underscore paint, we will do that, put your colon in there, and then we will tab over 2, because we want her to paint, and then move, and delete the rest. And now, see if it works.
so now I have 13 lines of code versus all the other ones.
Yep.
When it comes to the project,
Mhm.
can the kids do like a rainbow, like line of red, line of yellow, line of green?
I don't like that.
I think
No.
if it looks like a rainbow.
Say
but-
they can't just do straight lines. I'm just thinking of things that they would.
I would not allow them to do that, because I could
It's too easy.
technically,
It's a flag.
I would
I-
say, I would argue that's a flag.
yeah.
True.
And I could technically do that and probably, like, I know they're not going
Yeah.
to be thinking, but probably like
You
25
cannot
lines.
just have a straight
Yeah.
line.
I would say no.
I'm just thinking of like things they're gonna try to do.
Cause yeah, I think like 25 lines of code, I could probably do that in.
Well, cause you could just do a straight line like that and like, I'm gonna do red, and then I'm gonna do purple, and then I'm
Yeah.
gonna do, like,
So I would say no.
have to have some sort of design other than a straight line.
Where is all this Sally is on bucket, Sally take paint, Sally has paint, how do I memorize these, or is there a list of what?
There is not a list. I've looked everywhere, up and down, inside of code.org, trying to find a list of loops you can use here, and there is not a comprehensive list.
Hashtags, somebody needs to make one.
I only
So if we
painted
went-
like square.
Sounds like something I could do.
If we went through the lessons on
Like,
the
true,
left,
though, that'd be easy to
on the
do.
left, they're in boxes.
Yes.
You just have to put those into one document.
Yes, but I don't know if all of them are there. Sort of like how there are colors that they don't talk about, but you have a whole list. I don't know if there are even more that aren't discussed but are usable,
The move.
if that makes any sense.
Yeah.
One.
It says for a list. That's a pretty long ass list. I guess it's all HTML colors.
Yeah, so, and I've gone through all over the place to try to find all of the ones that they can do.
E and A.
Oh, there's for you.
There was while loops and for loops over there.
Just keep them.
Well, that's just the wireless.
Yeah,
Wow. Okay,
it's just explaining the while to them.
got it, okay.
You're trying to find like an endless list for the painting specific lessons?
Mm-hmm. And, cause I know there are more, cause I've seen more online, but I want a comprehensive list. So then if I ever have a kid who's like, I need help with this, I can show them that.
Right.
I wouldn't show them otherwise, but like at least then I
Do
can.
you have any community forums for code.org?
They have a ton of them, and
Have you
I've
asked?
scoured. I haven't asked, I'm a wallflower.
Sometimes people will share.
I am a,
They're
I am
called
a
lurkers,
wallflower.
and I am too.
Lurker.
So it's called.
Yep.
But yeah, that is something I have been working on, is trying to get a comprehensive list. So, that's stupid. You will also have this problem every once in a while, where your validation is wrong. It doesn't happen often, but my painter ends at 6-0 like he's supposed to. And I also have spaces 1 through 5 painted like it's supposed to, but it's counting it as wrong. If I had to guess, it's because we put a while statement here. If that happens, don't show this to the kids. You can spam the validate button. It takes a minute if you're one of those people who really cares about it being green. Or if you have a kid who does really care about it being green, sometimes if you spam the validate button, it will work. What? Did yours?
I have a comprehensive list of all painting things.
Oh, hey.
Oh,
Wanna
where'd
send
you
that to
find
me?
it?
In code.org in the painter section.
Is there?
No, I didn't use ChatGPT.
I would. I do it all the time.
Did
So-
you type help?
Yes.
I love it. You gotta tell the kids that.
So,
Type help.
well, it's a long ass list.
Is it on the AI tutor?
No, what I did was I went to Microsoft 365, the AI thing, said, how do I find all the list of the painter commands? And it said, there isn't a comprehensive Python paint, it all depends on what build and blah, blah, blah. It said, maybe try help, and then in parentheses, type painter. So I did. And when I ran my code, at the very end of the code, it came back with my whole list. Just
Oh, so is it like,
type at the bottom of that,
Like line 20.
or you could just delete the thing, it doesn't matter.
hold on, I'll go to,
Yeah, just
okay?
help, parentheses, painter with a capital P.
Inside it or
Inside.
parentheses.
like that?
Yep.
Obviously it's gonna work.
You
Well,
should have,
Yeah,
you
run
should
the
have
first part
deleted
of
the
it.
code
That's fine.
first.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
Nice.
Hey, thanks.
When it just started spamming them all out, I'm like, holy crap, there's a lot.
No, of course. Hopefully Control C works in this. So I just tried
It
it.
does, it just makes it a 5-page document.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
I'll go through that and start getting things. Thanks for that.
Yeah,
And I will get you guys a comprehensive list and a better cheat sheet now.
Cool. Good job.
Granted, the cheat
Yay.
sheet isn't a bad one, but
A lot of these we don't ever use.
can move, get color, get
What are we doing right now?
direction,
Are we
He was looking at the cheat sheet.
get X, get Y, has paint. Hide buckets,
A lot of these things are,
hides the painter. That's a good one. So you can just make the things come up without
Mhm.
painter standing there painting.
I don't like that.
Is facing east, facing north, facing south, facing west, off bucket?
Yeah, I knew that one.
Oh, versus all the turns?
Yeah, those are gonna be like if facing this way, if facing this way.
You can
or
scrape
while
the
facing.
paint off. You can erase the paint.
That's funny.
This is pretty much the exact same thing. Try to do 5. See if you can figure it out. It's fixing errors, I do believe.
Yeah. Button 5, circle 5, bubble 5s.
Bubble 5.
No, and it doesn't tell you what they are if you hit run. I hit run and it didn't tell me what you didn't do right. Oh, okay. Oh. Paste it in the wrong spot.
So we're supposed to kind of just like code it based on everything we've learned, just do.
Yep.
Oops.
Oh.
Oh, Sarah is.
Am I wrong?
Sarah,
She just has to move, right?
Just to move, yeah.
To the
bucket.
paint?
she,
Is there a loop so you don't have to do move 3 times?
I just did it 3 times.
Wow. Can't move.
Oh, can move.
Oh, wow.
I knew there was
Sarah
one.
can move, Sarah, okay.
While can move. Oh, that's right, because you delete these and then indent that one. It's the same thing, right? Nope, error.
Yeah.
Damn it. Sarah,
Yeah.
then why is it not working? Did you use while or did you do 3 times?
I did while Sarah.can_move parentheses.
Oh, I forgot Sarah.
Let's see if this works.
Parentheses colon enter and then it's a tab Sarah move.
No, that's what I did, but it didn't.
So those 2
Oh.
lines versus 3 lines of code.
That's just
I think my copy and paste was quicker.
that drove this.